Another banger, y'all. It's D-Dubs from Tires on Tarmac. I had to park the Nissan by the 442. Lady was nice enough to let us park right there in the midst of the car show. As soon as we pull up, we out here in beautiful Lake Zurich, Illinois. Car show. Hitting y'all up. Just gonna walk around and check out all type of shit. Mustang boys. Grand National, real clean. I like the wheels on here too. GTO. One thing about coming out here to Lake Zurich, they always got old schools too. I seen him last year and I found his GTO is clean. See the 3 filters? Old school. Mustang boys over here loped out. Let's get a shot of the Mustang boys. All the years. Check out this old school Nissan. Check out this Mustang. That's a beautiful spec, that gray and blue. Custom 10. Modernized the inside. The cab is all modern. Should have popped the hood. C8s, got the vets. The wheels is interesting on here. Got the engine pop. So it's 465.
This is considered mid-range, right?
Driver focused. Right next to the Z06. Z06 is nasty. Man, that Z06 is nasty. Peanut butter interior, I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker. Shit. In here, looking at these beautiful whips. Lake Zurich always got some dope shit, y'all. Vets, we got some more vets over there. 383 drop top. Interior all white. Camaro SS. Vet. Another Z06. Another C8. We seen him before, man, with the Lotus. I think he was in Johnsville. Mustang, another 442, Super Sport, Stingray, 5.0, Trans Am, the real one too. Walk down here and see what we got in the rights. I don't own the rights to this copyright shit. Put like some it's like a wrap. Actually look good though. Another C8, peanut butter guts. Trans Am. Z-Car. What's this? Another Z-Car. Cadillac SS 383, big Camaro van. Beautiful. Bumper all the way in the front, all the way around. Carbon fiber all around there too. Shit. Word. His wheels is a little different though. I'm not sure about the green, but his wheels is like like they transition different colors and shit. We got the Recaro seats up in this junk. He run that same color inside. Like I said, I'm not sure about the color, but it's a legendary whip. All-wheel drive. Shit over here by the Rari. So y'all see it. 348 TS. '80s joint. My man backing in. Mint condition too. Gated. Got that gated shifter up in that joint. Z28, another Chevelle. Got a bug over here. 420. What's this? 428. Everything original in this joint. 67. Drop top with a stick. Definitely ain't gonna see this. Caddy, Cutlass, drop top. 327. Yeah, man, they got some shit. Go back around. We got some more shit I'm gonna show y'all. Don't wanna walk in this coffee. GMC, that's that new H2 electric jump. This motherfucker crazy. That's that EV jump. This motherfucker hard right here. Damn. Suspension.
Use that on my console. How much are the seats? I'm pretty sure the seats are. I'm pretty sure you can just buy them. Just the seats. For the parts department.
I like how they did that. That's why they call screens up in that joint. How's it feel? Does it feel brolically? Tough? Or a mixture of tough and luxury?
More tough than luxury.
They sit up so high. It's so nice. This is a nice build.
You should check out the version. Yeah, it's my dad has
Some suspension.
That's okay. So you put see is the people sitting behind.
It's crazy.
The camera there. It turns into a camera. You see a little tab on the bottom. Streak that back.
That's the new Humvee, man. He got the Explorer. This motherfucker nice though. I ain't gonna front. This is a nice little we got skylighting up in this joint and everything. Damn. This motherfucker's nice. Talk about traveling style. Steps. Real nice. Yeah, we're gonna walk around and see some more whips. It's a lot of whips here, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying it. You know what I'm saying? We at Lake Zurich, Illinois, checking out the car show, just chilling. You know what I mean? Got some nice builds here. Got a plethora of Z cars, muscle cars. Got a Ferrari or two, a lot of 5.0s, a lot of Mustangs. Yeah, it's cool. It's a nice little turnout. A lot of SS's here, a lot of 442s, 380s, 382s, and every number in between. Oh man, so you got a little plethora of everything here, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying it, for real. I'm gonna walk over here and see some more shit. Shit, they got some more shit. They got a GTO over here. I want to check out the GTO. GTO is clean. nice, man. We got the vented hood too. Vented hood for y'all. Shit hard. Red racing stripes with that blue. This motherfucker nice. Got the big wing in the back. This son bitch is nice, bro. This is the original GTO before they changed the whole body style. So we got a Scat Pack 392. Man, it's sad, man, because they stealing these motherfuckers all across the country. Everybody getting it. You get a Hellcat, you a target nowadays, for real, or a Scat Pack. Motherfuckers is stealing them. Like, if you get one of these cars, these Mopars, man, just be ready for the smoke, because they stealing them, man, like a motherfucker. And not just in the cities, everywhere. You a target when you got these cars. Like, you better throw a satellite system on this bitch. It's a nice setup, though. This is different. You got the, like, this dot, dot, dot with the B on there.
Stop it for speed.
Jag put a big 4.2 in this little fucker. Jag was going dumb back in the day. Big ass blocks in a little ass car. Shit go fast as hell. This car probably under 3,000 pounds. 4.2 liter in this bitch. 68. Little fucker be moving. Yeah, they got some nice little layout, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying the show. It's a nice little turnout, man. Like I say, Vet Boys is here. Big time. It's another vet, put another C8. Red jump. RT. Mach 1 over there.
They had a good turnout, yeah. They have a real good
Challenger,
turnout at
Mopar.
in the park.
Old, new. You can see how, if y'all look here, with the new one, with this gentleman sitting in front of his, and then the old one, you see how they kept it trill with the vintage lights. So I'm glad they parked by each other, because then you can see the father of the little son. You know what I'm saying? You can see how they kept the tradition going with the lines and stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It was a B5 car. Oh, okay.
This is nice too. Then here's the new version. It's a 392. I like this one too with the green and black. It's pretty slick. Running K&N in here. So it's breathing, big 6.4. It's nice. Like I say, if you do get a Mopar, just know you're gonna have to be ready for the smoke. They stealing them everywhere, especially the Hellcats. And it's sad though, really. It's sad they targeting guys with these cars, man. You know, I'm in the market for something new too. And shit, I ain't even looking at one no more. Dots. Now, you know, fun fact, the new Z car that Nissan got, the 6 with the 400 horses, is actually modeled after this, the Datsun. This is a legendary car. This Nissan is legendary. I'm glad it's here. It's clean. 240Z. One of the original Z cars, man. And he got it immaculate. So Nissan is up in here too. And we got the Datsun truck. Also by Nissan. I don't even know if this is a GR. Oh yeah, okay. Got the turbo in it. JDM shit. It's a GR hatchback. I like it. GR in the bed and headrest. This motherfucker nice. This motherfucker brand new because he just bought it. Smell new still. It's a Corolla GR. Are these functional? Huh. It's nice. It's just wheels. Y'all like that GR? Y'all let me know. Big Shelby, blacked out. Mustang. Murdered out C8, all blacked out. Parked by the GT500. Got this shit murdered out, black on black, huh? Go check out the Mustangs. When we first came in, I got a quick shot of the Mustangs. Some of them left, but we got the original daddy over here. We're gonna check it out. Well, let's holler at a dude about his golf. You just pulled up on the GTI? You just pulled up?
Yeah, a couple minutes ago, yeah.
So what interests you in this setup, man? It's nice.
What interests me in this setup? Oh my god, I'm a big stance guy.
Just start wherever you want to start. Obviously, you got a lot to do and say.
Yeah.
Because this is a lot, man. You got it tricked out. You got it lowered on, obviously, lowered on the joints.
Lowered on BC Racing Extreme lows, yeah.
Definitely. And these fuckers are fast, so you ain't even got to talk about that.
Yeah, it's fast. Dude, this thing rides really rough down the road because it's so
Lowered.
The spring rates are so high, it's really stiff. So it's not performance based at all. Really like the way that stance cars looked.
Oh, they always look good when the stance is low.
Yeah.
Especially on these type of joints and JDMs and these type of German joints.
Yeah.
What year is this?
This is a 2018.
And do you often go to the track sometimes or try to or
People
about
always
to?
inviting me. It's
Yeah.
just not a track car, man.
Street, definitely.
I
Street
go to
guy.
a lot of shows.
Right.
Yeah, you'll see me at shows.
Where can they hit you up at on your social media?
Instagram, I got Shaggy Bolt Slamming right there.
Y'all go and check him out, man.
Yeah.
That's his IG, man. Shaggy_Vogue Slamming.
Yeah, man, I go to a lot of
IG.
shows.
What's up with the wheel selection with the chrome? Now, a lot of people want to stay away from the chrome, but
Oh my God.
why did you choose it for the red? Because you got a plethora of choices, man.
It's funny that you brought that up. A lot of people told me not to buy these rims. A lot of people. And so I was like scrolling.
You pulled
through
it off.
all kinds of wheels. I'm like, just nothing hits me as hard as these did. And I'm like, at the end of the day, like I drive this car home, and I don't really care what other people say. But after I put them on, everybody I talk to, they love these rims.
It looks
Like,
good.
it's
You
the
pulled
only
it
thing
off.
People really love about it.
You pulled it off,
I
man.
won the Ildubs car show for best Volkswagen a month and a half ago. So,
Nice. Yeah, you pulled it off.
yeah.
You pulled it off because most people, you know, they either go with the colored chrome now.
Oh yeah.
You know,
yeah.
you got the different colors now and shit. You know
I thought, when I bought these things, I was like, yeah, they're gonna be a little flashy. Definitely
I like
are a
this
little
too.
Flashy.
I like how you can put your whatever up here. I like that.
I actually do
looks
use
nice.
those.
Yeah, I
actually
bet.
do use those. I put a box on there. When I go to shows, I put like a tent here and I grill out of this thing. I don't have the TV in there right now, but I hang a TV off the back.
Real nice, man.
Yeah.
And then what kind of catback you playing with? Your
It's
exhaust?
just a downpipe, honestly. Right now, it's just a downpipe, and then when I get some more money, I'm gonna put it into finishing off the exhaust with probably an ECS tuning, non-belt exhaust.
Top speed,
Top speed, I only went to 124 in it because that's
modest,
that
slight,
was it.
little slight,
That was it.
0 to 60.
0 to 60, I don't know. It's fast, but I get a really bad wheel wobble with these things.
I bet you can beat that vent.
I've tried, because my pants, I never tried to outrun that thing. Only because when I get a
No, these things are fast though. I'm saying though, they fast.
Oh, they are. It's fast.
I seen them in action, man. I seen these STIs go at it, man. I seen one of these fuckers neck and neck with one.
Yeah.
And they both were tricked out. They both had every, you know what I'm saying? You know, so
Yeah.
I already know what these things about. But thanks for talking to me, man.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
Yup, keep doing. Hey, man, this is me, man. Tires on Tarmac.
Tires on Tarmac. You got YouTube, obviously.
Obviously, and I'm also on Facebook and TikTok. And
Okay.
yeah, I come out here every year as long as they keep having it, bro. Thanks for talking to me, dog.
Have a good night.
No doubt. Daytona over there. Cool bills out here, man. Shit, you know GTO. Yup. Another one. Prowler over there. We seen him coming in. So yeah, I wanted to come over here and before I talk to my man, and check out this old school Mustang. Like, you got the new 5.0 and then you got the old. Leave a comment which one y'all like. Shit nice though, bro. Yee. All right, man. They out here clowning. This D-Dub, some Tires on Tarmac, man. I'll check y'all out again, man. All right, Dolly, stay safe out there. Watch each other, man. Hit y'all up with another car show. All right, peace.